Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a simple, common maintenance procedure to my 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. Just going to be a simple oil change. I'm going to take you through the complete service as well as an extra tip I use to keep track between intervals of oil changes. So let's get to work. Okay, the items you're going to need for this is your flavor choice of oil. Mine takes 0W20 with the dextrose. It's 8 quarts. A little bit of brake cleaner, clean up some oil spill. A funnel for refilling. I chose the PF63 OEM AC Delco filter. Need a ratchet or a wrench, 15 millimeter. I like using the 6-point. And something to remove the oil filter with. This one I'm going to choose my band wrench on. Also, you're going to need a catch pan that is suitable to hold 8 quarts of oil. First things first, you're going to come to the driver's side. You're going to remove the oil fill cap. As you can see, it says say 020 and dextrose. Put that over there. Here's your dipstick for later. And now we're going to go down below, start the underneath work. Okay, so we are underneath the driver's side of the vehicle. Here's your drain plug, oil filter. Put some gloves on because I like to change my oil a little bit on the warm side. Now let's get this sucker draining. Sure we got catch pan lined up. It's able to hold 8 quarts. She goes. All right, that's drained out pretty good. Let's start working on the filter. Filter wrench on there. This is going to leak oil, so watch yourself. That drain out a little bit. All right, let's unscrew that the rest of the way. Leak some more. Here it comes. Hold on to it. When you do take it off, be sure the O-ring seal does come with the filter. You don't want to leave it up in there. Let's wipe this all down. The mating surface. Clean that up. Clean. Take your drain plug. This is not a magnetic one. You can buy magnetic ones. Check your gasket on your drain plug. Make sure that's in good shape. Reinstall that. What? You guys like torquing things? This gets torqued down to 18 foot-pounds. I'm sorry, 18 foot-pounds. That's all you need. Don't have to kill it. Okay, on my application, we're going to pre-fill the oil filter. I don't know if you guys do this or not. This one you can get away with it because it is vertically straight up and down. Let that fill up. And you're going to take a little bit of the oil you put in there. You can just give it a light coat right around the new O-ring on the filter. And get ready to put that back in. Right before we install the oil filter, we're just going to clean this up a little bit. Hit it with a little brake parts cleaner. Clean that all up. Get down. Take your filter. Hurry up. Now my filters, I wait till the gasket hits the mating surface, and then I go one complete turn. Again, you don't need to kill this thing. That's tight enough. Another quick wipe down. Check everything. You're good to go. Let's go back up top, fill it up. All right, we're up top now, so grab your funnel. Put that in there. Get your oil. Start adding. Okay, so that's about 5 quarts. We know it takes 8, but we're going to take this out. Put the cap back on. Now we're going to take the vehicle down off the jack stands, pull out the wheel chock, start it up, let that flow in there a little bit, get it down, shut it off, and fill up the rest of the oil. I'm going to show you the extra step I do to help me keep track between intervals. Get it running. Let the oil pressure go up. There you go. We know the hood is open. Thank you. Okay. That's your oil ring. I'm going to reset that. 100%. Now I also like to reset my B trip. So this gives me percentage and mileage between my oil changes. So now we will get this off the ramps. Get back in park. And now the oil has had time to circulate through the engine, fill the oil filter. Let's go recheck the level. All right, the car is down off the ramps. Got my funnel back in, and I used this jug to fill it up to 3 quarts. It takes a total of 8. So now we're going to add the rest of the 3 quarts. Check it out. Should be good to go. All right, we'll add the rest of the oil. All right, there you go. Drink up, little buddy. And that should bring us to the full level on the dipstick, which we're going to check out next. There you have it. She is full. And that completes your oil change. Put your oil cap back on. Close your hood, obviously. Good to go. Thanks for watching. If you like this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and please leave me any comments below on anything I missed. Thanks for watching.